Is Apple's biggest iPhone upgrade in years about to come with a price tag that makes you think twice? Apple's September 2026 event is reportedly locked in for September 9th, and leaked insider reports suggest this isn't going to be your typical annual refresh. Instead of a standard simultaneous rollout, Apple is rumored to put its most premium hardware front and center, led by the powerhouse iPhone 18 Pro Max and an entirely new foldable category. Let's break down every major leak, from game-changing camera tech to jaw-dropping pricing structures. Starting with the physical redesign, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to feature a slightly thicker frame wrapped around a new rear glass panel, highlighted by a stunning dark cherry finish. While a thicker chassis sounds counterintuitive at first, it serves a major purpose. Bigger battery. The extra internal space allows for roughly a 12% increase in battery capacity. Combined with the next-gen chip, real-world endurance for gaming, navigation, and on-device AI will see a major jump. Shrinking dynamic island. On the front, Apple is reportedly shrinking the dynamic island by around 35%, bringing the display one step closer to a true, uninterrupted all-screen design. Upgraded selfie cam. Reports suggest a shift to a 24-megapixel center stage sensor, radically improving FaceTime clarity, low-light framing, and short-form creator content. Without a doubt, the crown jewel of the hardware upgrade is the main camera. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to introduce a variable aperture lens. Much like a professional DSLR, this allows the phone to mechanically control light entry, depth of field, and natural background separation, giving you professional control over harsh highlights and low-light environments alike. Software is matching this hardware leap. Rumors point to iOS 27 introducing a completely overhauled, highly customizable camera app featuring drag-and-drop controls and widgets, putting your most used shooting tools right where you need them. Under the hood, performance is getting a futuristic boost. The phone is rumored to run on Apple's next-generation A20 Pro chip, built on an advanced 2nm manufacturing process. Beyond faster benchmarks, this extreme efficiency channels heavy processing power directly to on-device AI tasks, like voice recognition and smart assistants, without lagging or relying constantly on the cloud. Even more ambitious is the rumor of satellite-based internet connectivity. Moving past simple emergency messaging, full satellite internet access could allow users to stay connected in remote locations entirely independent of traditional cellular towers or Wi-Fi. Of course, the elephant in the room is Apple's rumored entry into the foldable market, often dubbed the iPhone Ultra. Opening like a book with a massive 7.8-inch display, Apple is reportedly tackling the crease issue head-on. However, this futuristic design comes with notable compromises. No Face ID, instead utilizing a side-mounted Touch ID system. A trade-off in optics, dropping the dedicated telephoto zoom lens found on the Pro Max. An astronomical price tag rumored between $2,000 and $2,500, positioning it as Apple's most expensive smartphone ever. That brings us to the biggest headline and the hardest pill to swallow: the price. Leaks suggest Apple could hike the price of its premier models by up to $300, potentially pushing the entry-level Pro model toward a hefty $1,400 price tag. While the variable aperture, 2nm, A20 Pro chip, and massive battery upgrades are monumental, it forces buyers to ask, is the tech jump truly worth paying hundreds more? Add in potential ecosystem announcements, like an AirPods Ultra featuring infrared camera tech, a white ceramic Apple Watch Series 12, and a brand new smart display. And Apple's September event is shaping up to be an unforgettable inflection point. Do these massive hardware leaps justify a $1,400 price tag? Or is Apple pushing things too far? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hit subscribe for all the latest breaking tech updates leading up to the September event, and I'll see you in the next video.